step-by-step guide on how you can withdraw cash from an EBT card. First, you will need to find an ATM. Locate an ATM that accepts EBT cards. Most ATMs at major banks and some grocery stores allow EBT cash withdrawals. The second step will be inserting your EBT card. Simply insert your EBT card into the ATM like you would with a regular debit card. Next, you will need to enter your PIN. Type in your 4-digit PIN that you set up for your EBT card. Select Withdraw Cash. Choose the option to withdraw cash or checking account. Some ATMs may refer to it as checkings rather than EBT. Enter the amount. You enter the amount of cash you want to withdraw, keeping in mind your balance. Collect your cash. Once the transaction is approved, the ATM will dispense the cash. Take your receipt as it shows your remaining EBT balance. Fees. ATM fees. Some ATMs may charge a fee for withdrawing cash from an EBT card. Many states allow a certain number of free withdrawals each month, so be aware of any potential charges. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.